Assalamu alaikum. I'm in the field. I'm here to make English practice video, and look at that. That is called a power tiller. A power tiller is very common agriculture machine which is very important. So let's talk to the person who is driving it. Okay, as you can see, the land is wet because of raining, and I'm going to talk to him and I'm gonna ask him some questions. Okay. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. This is my uncle. I'm gonna ask him some questions if you don't mind. Okay. Okay. How long have you been doing this work? I mean, আপনি কতদিন ধরে এই কাজটা করছেন? Oh, he has been doing this work for 17 years.
মেশিনে অতিরিক্ত সাউন্ড থাকায় কথা শোনা যাচ্ছিল না। আমি ওনাকে জিজ্ঞাসা করেছিলাম, হাউ মাচ ল্যান্ড কুড ইউ কাল্টিভেট ইন এ ডেজ উইথ দিস মেশিন? হি টোল্ড মি হি ক্যান till around 8 to 9 acres a day. Next question. This machine is yours? He told me this machine his own.